Hi guys, welcome to this session. In today's session, we're going to see how to create a conversation ad campaign inside the LinkedIn Ads account. Conversation ads are those ad formats with the help of which we can strike a conversation with a LinkedIn member and we can showcase and provide some information about our products and services which we want them to have a look at. So let's see guys how we can go ahead and create this campaign in the account. So once we log into our LinkedIn Ads account, we can first select the campaign group in which we want to create this campaign. So we can start building out a new campaign altogether for this, okay, wherein we can select the campaign group. And now we can choose a campaign objective for this. So in order to create a conversation ad, specifically, we can choose brand awareness and reach. And we can fill in all the other details which are required for the campaign. For example, location targeting. So here we can go ahead and choose the other locations which we want to target in this manner. Also, we can do some level of audience targeting, demographic targeting, which we can do out here. Okay, so if you want to do that, we can do that as well. Apart from that, you can do some audience targetings, which is possible. Okay, so based on the kind of degrees, or let's say, for example, company information, company categories, we can select some categories in this manner. In addition to this, if you have any other targetings which you want to do, which is around demographics, you can do that as well from audience targeting. So we can go to, let's say, demographics, and we can choose member age and gender, as you can see. So here I can choose gender as well. And then furthermore, audience targetings, if required, we can do it from here as well. After which, now we can select the ad format. So we are going to create a conversation ad. So you can select this option and provide the other details of the campaign. For example, the budget we can set over here. We can schedule the campaign to have a particular start date, end date, and then choose the bidding strategy. What type of bidding we want to do here? Let's say we want to do manual bidding. So you can set the bid for the spend which you want to have. And then we can also set up conversion tracking if need be. These are all the details, guys, which we are going to fill up at a campaign level. And then we can save it and move to the next level, which is the ad creation part. In the ad creation part, we are going to start creating this new ad. So starting off with the first thing, which is going to be the name of this ad, which we can give out here. Okay, we can add a sender as well to whom we want to send and target. It has to be a LinkedIn member, so you can add the member from here. You can choose the sender specifically. Let's say we are looking at in this manner. Okay, and you can send the request. Okay, so these are the kind of people who will be able to, we will be receiving this particular, whom this ad will be targeted to. So you can add multiple senders from here who will be able to see this ad from here. Then if required, you can also upload a banner, image ad over here. Okay, so we can add a image. Once you provide these information, then we can move to the next part, which is going to be the template. In the template, we are going to write the text. What will be the opening text which we want, message which we want to send to our members to start this whole process. So you can see now there are various options available wherein for various reasons we have different templates created by LinkedIn. For example, there can be templates on driving events, trials. You can do it for enrollments, website visit, let's say asset downloads, professional services. Okay, so like this, you can choose the template which is most suitable for your business, and you can select that and start off with that, customizing the ad with it. Okay, so for example, let's say we want to drive an event, so we can choose this. So this is how the image, the message is going to look like. And then we start filling in all the other details. So this will be the customized message which will be sent to the LinkedIn member. Now, for the different options which you have, you can customize them. Let's say, save my spot, you want to send them to your website. So here you can give your website URL in this manner. Now, once they click on the website URL, they will get this message. Awesome. We can't wait to see you here. Okay. So if you want, you can add any image over here, or you can remove this as well. So this can be one part of it. The other one, let's say, tell me more. When we come to tell me more, here we want them to give them more information. So you can customize that information as well, show them the next message. And here you can go ahead and talk about the other information as well. So the event is, you can give more information where the event is happening, what is the time range. You can provide all that information out here. Similarly, the third one, other options, which you see. So in other options, if you want to write about other options which they have, which you can customize in the message. So you can go to edit response and give the other options which you have. In this manner, guys, we can customize the whole conversation ad one by one and then create the whole ad out. Once the ad is created, now, as you can see, we are building out, okay? So here you will be going ahead and creating the ad, primarily speaking. Okay, so here you can give it once you give all this information, okay, then we can go ahead and create the whole ad out. Once the ad is created, then the campaign will completely get created. And what you can do is you can go ahead and make the changes. So here we can see as well, save a spot here. Okay, so what we can do is we can provide these information out here. Okay, so let's look at save a spot first. Here as well, you can provide the information. Then in this manner, wherever needed, we will have to go ahead and provide the landing pages, okay, so that people are taken to the specific spot as required. Okay, so now we can do a preview how this whole thing will look like. So you can see this is how the ad is going to look like, ideally speaking. Okay, now if everything looks fine, we can create this ad. So this becomes our conversation ad, which we have created in this campaign. And now we can go to the reviewing of the campaign. So we can have a look at the campaign once, look everything is fine or not, look at the details provided. If everything looks fine, then we can go ahead and launch this campaign. So this will go for a checking. LinkedIn will take like 24 to 48 hours to check your ads. Once the ad is approved by them, then the campaign can go live. This will be the process, guys, by which we will be able to create a conversation ad campaign inside the LinkedIn ads account. I hope this makes sense. And now you understand how to build such kind of a campaign. Thank you so much, guys, for listening into this session today. Have a great day, guys.